Hello everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're reviewing the Trucozie Large Pet Air Purifier, a smart home air purifier designed for pet owners who want cleaner air, less odor, and a fresher living space. If you deal with floating pet hair, dander, dust, or lingering smells from cats and dogs, this purifier is built to make everyday life more comfortable. The first standout feature is its large coverage area of up to 3,000 square feet. That makes it ideal for spacious living rooms, open apartments, bedrooms, pet zones, or multi-room environments where air circulation matters. Instead of using multiple small units, this purifier is designed to handle larger spaces more efficiently. For pet owners, one of the biggest issues is airborne fur and dander. The Trucozie purifier helps absorb floating cat and dog hair while also filtering smaller particles that often trigger allergies. This can be especially helpful if you notice sneezing, itchy eyes, or dust buildup around your home. Its 3-in-1 filtration system adds strong value. You get a HEPA filter for fine particles like dust, pollen, and allergens, an activated carbon layer for pet odors, smoke, and household smells, plus an anion function for fresher feeling air circulation. Together, these layers work to improve indoor air quality day and night. Another premium feature is smart Wi-Fi connectivity. That means you can control the purifier remotely using your phone, adjust fan speed, power it on or off, and monitor performance without walking to the unit. This is perfect for busy homes, travel days, or setting schedules while you're away. Zero ozone design is another important advantage. Many buyers worry about harmful ozone-producing devices, but this purifier is designed for safer everyday operation while still maintaining strong filtration performance. Noise control also matters in home devices, and units like this are generally made for quiet use in bedrooms, offices, or nighttime settings. That means cleaner air without disturbing sleep, work, or relaxation. The overall design looks modern and minimal, so it fits nicely into most home decor while serving a practical purpose. If you have pets, allergies, smoke exposure, or just want better air quality, the Trucozie Large Pet Air Purifier is a smart upgrade for your home. Thanks for watching GadgetVerse. If you found this review helpful, check the link below to buy yours on Amazon, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews every day.